Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna cover the mistakes that people make in their 30s and the 40s. One of the first ones I would like to discuss is when people go and buy their own home. What they will do is they will buy not according to their budget. They will always overstretch themselves by too much because they want this very big fancy house as a first house. So there's a lot of emotion involved. I understand that, and yeah, even 10 years ago I was guilty of that as well. But now I want to educate other people, and I want to tell them, it's not the best way. Like, you shouldn't overstretch your budget by too much, because it will hamper your future growth, especially if you're keen to buy investment properties in the future. Because if you've already stretched up to the maximum where you can borrow, then chances are for your new property or your investment property in a couple of years, or when the time comes, you won't have much borrowing capacity left over, unless you get a better job, or your partner starts working before they were not working. There are different situations, but generally speaking, that's what happens. People overstretch themselves too much because they want to have all these upgrades. They want to have a bigger house, bigger land, or and then they want to dress it up with very expensive furniture and as well, and they take equity out. So all those things mean that when you want to buy an investment property, you might have to wait for a bit longer, and you might pay a bit more price. So that's something that I would like you to think about. And if you are in that particular age group, or actually in any other age group, think about these things when you're actually doing things. So our goal is to help you achieve buy a few properties over a period of time, so you're able to retire comfortably. So with that, I would like to end this video. Thank you.